Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing today? This is Donna Davis Bell on YouTube, Shiny Treasure Designs on Etsy, and Inspired to Create on Facebook. And in my Inspired to Create Facebook group, I have been doing some freebie kits. Every weekend, I try to have a freebie kit for y'all to craft with, and this is one of them. This is a quote kit. It says, "Make today a good day. Smile often, think positively, give thanks, laugh often, love much. Be strong, choose calmness, enjoy peace, live happily. Love is patient, love is kind, love rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. Spread love everywhere you go. Be kind and laugh often. Love, peace, harmony, happiness. Always stay humble and kind. Let the peace of God rule in your hearts." I thought those would be really cute in some of your paper crafts. So I did that kit for everyone to use. And these are freebie kits. I did a numbers kit. Number labels for crafts. You have 24 of those. These are in a teal with a dark purple plum border, and the numbers are the dark purple plum. And there's 24 of those. Just print them out and cut them out. I did an Easter egg one for everyone to use. Faith, peace, love, be happy, be kind, rejoice in the Lord, sing with a happy heart, love the Lord with all your heart, and happy Easter here. And there are 9 of those in that kit, and that is Weekend Freebie Kit number 3. And then the Weekend Freebie Kit number 2, I had designed this little Easter bunny. You just put it together, assemble it, and a little envelope. The little hearts are for the closure, and this just goes on as a decorative piece on there. Or you can make a tag out of it or whatever you want out of it. But I thought that would be cute in your journals or in a banner, or just a cute little weekend kit to do with your grandkids or kids to make a little Easter bunny. Love the way his little tail come out. I just thought he was adorable. So you have kit number 2, kit number 3, kit number 1, and number 4. So you have 4 freebie kits over there. They are under the announcements, and if you can't find them under the announcements, you can find them under the group files. That's where they will be kept. For the future, if you sometime in the future, if they're not under announcements and you want to go back and find one of these kits, go over, download it, print it out, and have some fun. All I ask is that you do not use these to sell. Do not mass produce them to sell. You can use them in your crafts, but these are digital kits designed by me, so please remember that and be kind and give credit where credit is due. And please post pictures and Inspired to Create. Send me pictures. I love to see what everyone does with things that I make and create. So please have a good day, have fun, and go on over, grab your kits, print them out, and have some fun. Bye-bye.